At number 1, we have the Our Place Cast Iron Perfect Pot. This is the best Dutch oven you can buy on the market and excels at heat distribution and retention, making it ideal for slow cooking and braising. This enameled cast iron Dutch oven features a self-basting lid with built-in straining capability, doubling as a serving lid when flipped. The pot's interior has a black matte enamel coating that develops a natural patina over time, enhancing its non-stick properties. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip even with oven mitts, while the pour spouts on both sides ensure drip-free serving. In terms of cooking performance, it transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, handling temperatures up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The pot's heavy-duty construction excels at maintaining consistent heat, perfect for everything from soups and stews to bread baking. The bottom is optimized for even heating, preventing hot spots and burning. Maintenance is straightforward. The enamel coating resists sticking and makes cleanup relatively easy, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the finish. While it's technically dishwasher safe, hand washing helps maintain its longevity. The pot's versatility shines through its ability to braise, boil, strain, steam, and even bake bread. One standout feature is the modular lid design, which eliminates the need for additional cookware like colanders. The pot's construction quality is evident in its smooth finish, well-fitted lid, and sturdy handles, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. So that sums up my top 5 Dutch